Alright, so in this video today we're going to do a 2007 Nissan Titan truck, and the hood shocks are out on this vehicle, so we're just going to replace those with some new ones. It's going to be better to have two people unless you can prop it up. This is what we're going to do. So we'll start here with pulling these pins out. And you want to be careful so it doesn't fly in your face. Okay, once the clips are pried out, it's just gonna come out like that, and we'll open a new one. Okay, just how we took it out is how it's gonna go back in. Okay, so with the new ones, we're gonna pull the clips out first. Okay, now we're gonna place the other side. Clips out. And then the new ones will just clip right in. Pull the hood up a little bit. There we go. And if it doesn't go in, you may just want to pull this out just a little bit.